I like to introduce myself. My name is Camila Johnson. I'm a woman. I'm not a bad bitch. I'm not a sex symbol. A woman. Yeah, Proverbs 33. Woman. Yeah, that's me. Woman. Let's go. I'm a woman. I am woman. Hear me roar from the core.
Hey, K-Butter babies, Miss Johnson back again with another episode of KAE'Z Chronicles. Today I'm going to be showing you how I DIY this OrKA blue unit using the watercolor method. I didn't videotape the watercolor method process itself. However, I did videotape the customization. So stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. So what we have here is a 10-inch 613 13x4 lace frontal wig with the bands already installed. The cap is yellow because that was the first color that I dipped it in. It didn't take, but it did change the color of the cap. And the lace has already been tinted, so this unit is pretty much ready to go. I'm going to start off washing the unit using AbsoEver shampoo and conditioner. These are essential for my wigs. I use these on all of my extensions. It makes the hair so silky, so smooth. It refreshes and revitalizes the hair. And these products are also available at KincaidBeauty.com. She's washed. She's ready. It's time to go. I like to do all of my cuts starting out with a part down the middle. This is only on wigs though. So I make sure that my part is always directly in the middle. I know that I want a blunt, even all around cut, so I don't have to make things too difficult. She's been cut. It was a basic cut. I didn't need to take off too much because she was cut previously for the style that I was planning on doing at first. I've already parted out my hair for the swoop. Now, I would like to put this on wax. That swoops are not new. We were wearing swoops when I was in the 5th grade. We've been swooping our bangs since we've been swooping our bangs, okay? And a rule of thumb for me, when doing sleek styles, it's always best to do them in a wet set. It's always best to do it while the hair is still damp or while the hair is wet, because you get more precision. The hair is more tameable, the hair is more manageable. And right here, I don't even have any product on it yet. It's just wet. I haven't applied any mousse or anything. So that's what we have here. I am using Infinite Hold Styling Foam from the Kincaid Beauty Wig Essential Care line. This mousse is absolutely amazing, you guys. I'm telling you right now, it has changed my life dramatically since I began working with wigs. And I'm telling you also that you are only as good as the products that you use. If you're not achieving the desired results, you probably need to go back to the drawing board and see what exactly is going on with your products and tools, because that will change your life within itself. Of course, I'm going to hit it with some Got2B spray so she can be still and she can stay in place. And it can be sleek and smooth, just as I desire. To secure my swoop in place, I'm going to use 2 large duckbill clips to make sure that it stays sleek and smooth. I'm only going to tweeze one side because that's the only side that I plan on having out. Everything else is covered up. Now, a trick that I do when I'm tweezing is I use mousse instead of water because the water keeps drying. So instead, I just go ahead, put some mousse and tweeze my little heart away. The baby hairs have been cut. I'm applying the mousse. I'm about to lay them down with my environmental friendly toothbrush. I'm not a big baby hair fan, but in this case, I know that I have to have them out to conceal the lace. But other than that, that's what we have here. Now she's braided. She's sleek. She's ready to go. I did use some dark brown color spray to ombre my part. I'm going for the wavy look, the natural look, so I just tied her down so that I can install her. And that's it. And there we go. She's done. The OrKA Blue unit by yours truly, added to the K Johnson collection. This headband is also available at KincaidBeauty.com. All descriptions to every product will be linked below. I thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of KAE'Z Chronicles. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, be bold, be beautiful, be you. Until next time.
I am woman. Hear me roar from the core. Oh my Lord, come in my life and please restore everything that has been taken and been shaken. They've been snaking, trying to break it on my life, but they can't.